The chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, TITOS CHYNE, had addressed news reporters on Thursday on the decisions taken by the council in a meeting that was held recently. TITOS CHYNE informed that the council had also discussed on various schemes offered by the central government to the district councils and also on the number of seats in each autonomous district council of the state. Further, the council had discussed on the proposed amendment to the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution, whereby the KHADC has opposed the setting up of village councils, which it feels goes against the existing traditional office. Soon, a delegation of the UDA will be meeting the Chief Minister to oppose the constitution of cluster councils at the village level.
Amendment kepada pengkeladur ya ki traditional sejungi nakalian kejungi minum menjur kali lagi kata. But ya kan niru in snow ke delegation yang mungkin saya kedua UCM. Bah nakalian kejungi kuat kan yo Indonesia ni lah ke village council ke bertemu kadai ni kat kung kejing temu jong ke home ministry makin dan kita ki cluster council. Kebamut pa di dengan CHYNE society kebamut pa Shillong tali Shillong kindan go ke council ka bau chairman ande orang mak Shillong tingi menjor kata namar ba kumno mentala da Shillong tali darbar Shillong kin hak aku ke council but we chairman orang mak Shillong dong go ke Shillong unlong chairman jo kata council kaban hak jo Shillong tali Shillong kanu me hak bak ngait pat ba no menjor ke ni pat hak jo poru kan sawara no ke kurmar ya ka rukom sensa kadar kepada
The United Democratic Alliance of the KHADC had also agreed on the candidature of Lamprang Bla to the position of chairman of the council, wherein an election to the same effect would be held on the 17th of February 2022. This proposal had come after the existing chairman of the KHADC, Paniat Singh Siem, had tendered his resignation after having won the recent by-elections to the Maurankneng Assembly constituency.
Jinglong ya ke Jingpelong ya special session da government bono kalong ba hadir ba ya kam chairman di ba peniat ba resign no namar ba da job kum MLE ba haga ju poru kadika arrangement apo ke parti NPP ya ka ba da sunday ba ai no ekonomi kam harwe pat khat jongka parti NPP Tina kalian jongka parliamentary party jongka parti NPP jongka MBC kila ai yang ada di Jingko ba hadir ba resign ba penya kila jiep no ya iba Lamprang Bla bandong kumpu nominee no candidate na kebentar kam chairman hakenika election gubernur ba new tarik Tina kalian kecungi ke UDA hadir bangi rayo ekonomi city ni soba ngimdon pat takungui pat namar gani ketika arrangement kecungi ni ada mencuat bayi ke kam chairman hang ni po council ambat na kalian juga MPP de ni na kalian kecungi ngi menjur be kan but ka UDA mentakasi kalau menjur ya keterteng jong upa Lamprang Bla banlong kandidat na kebentar kam chairman ada election banlong simunde tadi karai upa Shillong